Hey Hackintosh gang, today I will release the theme that I made for OpenCore bootloader. Here's the actual theme. This is for 1920 x 1080 screen size. We will use OCAT for mounting the EFI partition and editing the config.p list. Make sure that your configuration is theme enabled. If not, you can watch this video first, then get back here. Check the description box for the link of this theme. We will put the theme into our EFI partition, OC folder, then resources, then paste it inside the images folder. Extract the zip file by double-clicking it, then copy the Lightment09 folder, open OCAT, then mount, and open the config.p list. Open a Finder window on the side pane, click the no-name partition, then EFI folder, go into OC, then Resources, and paste it inside the image folder. We will now edit the config.p list. Click Miscellaneous. Set the picker attributes to 145, launcher option to full, picker mode to external. Type Lightment09 on the picker variant. Check both the hide auxiliary and show picker, then save your config. You may now restart your computer and test it out. And if you've done it correctly, you may now enjoy your new theme. That's about it for this video. Click the video on your screen that may interest you to watch and see you there.